to my channel. So guys, now I am at Roblox. I am just going to go at that house right in front of me. Let's go. Bro, just lock the door, man. Yes. Oh, what is this? Okay. Let's go. Hi. 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 Come on. Hi. Bro. So my house is right there. It is only this, and they have called me here. So, bro, what? So this man. Look, this man is this. And look at me. I am. This is me. What the hell is going on? Oh my gosh. Okay, he came. Let me just go right here. Now right here. Guys, 1 minute. So let's start. Yes. YES, yes. Yes. Bro, they just left. Left. They left. They just left. What? I think so. Let's go home. And my home is just here. And it is 12. Come on. Bro, open the door. Open the door. Close the door. So let's make. No, I will not make anything. So let's take some pizza. It's a soggy pizza. Provide just it became a little dark. What's happened? Is it the screen I have? Because it is looking very dark. Oh no, it is okay. So let's go to bed. Yes, let's sleep. And I wake up at sunset. There is someone here. There is someone spying me. I'm really sorry for that. Really sorry for that. Is someone there? Because I heard someone. I don't think so. Let's just get ready. Let me just do my bathroom things. Whether you go out, spy on others. Okay, now I'm done. So I have taken a bath. I have done everything. I just need to change. Not this clothes. Right here. Now let's take some clothes. So guys, I will meet after clothes. So now I am ready with this look, this whitening look, but I need white hair too. or blonde hair. I don't mean to have through blonde hair. So guys, this is my look. I'm going to just turn around and wow, I'm looking gorgeous. And these are my white specs. So I am ready, but it is only 3 o'clock. So let's go to the grocery shop and let's go and buy some things. Let's go. So let's begin. I will take a car. So let's go now. Bro, I thought someone else is by my house. So we will not go there. We will go here. Turn perfectly. No, this way. This way is the... I don't know what to call it. But this is the way of the grocery shop. Bro, this is not the grocery shop. Bro, what's going on? We have just turned here. There is no one out here. No one is out. What are these? Oh my gosh. I just crashed into someone's. What is this car doing here? What is that? Who are those? Who are those? Why are they in my area? Like, I am the airy person. So I will just lock my car. So no one can beat me with my car. So I'm gonna take my car. Wow, this grocery shop has been very big lately. So let's take some cupcakes. I don't need that much. So I'll take some Reese's and these. Bro, what's up? Some Reese's, then these. I will take a little cola and all. Because I'm going to the party next week. So I don't know where. Let's take some sandwich. Let's take some pizza. Let's take this. Let's take some milk. Let's take some ice cream. I was just kidding. I need these stuff. I need these. Bro, I need these. Just need these. I need these. I need those. I need some water too. So take some water. And I'm done. I need to pay the payment.